The National Weather Service in Northern Indiana issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Miami County, Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, DeKalb County, Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northwest of Mexico to 6 miles southwest of Walton, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.
That was weird.
Source,
The tones aren't going off correctly.
impact. Expect
That's why my weather radio didn't go off. Girls, with rolling tones.
Bunker Hill around 5:35 p.m. Peru and Mexico around 5:40 p.m.
Oh,
Wabash around 5:50 p.m.
TV should go off at any second.
Severe thunderstorms include Peoria, Somerset, Noka, Lago, Serbia, New Waverly, Onward, Urbana, Lincoln, and Erie.
No, it doesn't.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Miami, and Wabash. This is NOAA Weather Radio.